Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer XRP from Uphold to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets to a secure, hardware-based wallet like Tangem for better protection against hacks. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Uphold account with some XRP in it, and your Tangem wallet should be fully initialized and connected to your device. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those steps sorted. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP balance. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the asset page. Click on that to start the process. Next, you'll need your Tangem wallet address. Open your Tangem app, select XRP, and copy the wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful when pasting it into Uphold to avoid any typos. Remember, XRP transfers require the destination tag if your Tangem wallet has one. Check that in your app settings. Now, back in Uphold, paste the address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but don't forget to account for any network fees. XRP transactions on the XRP ledger are pretty cheap, but they add up. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Once you've sent it, keep an eye on your transaction. It should process quickly, often in seconds, but give it a minute or two. Head over to your Tangem wallet app and refresh to see if the XRP has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. And there you have it. Transferring XRP from Uphold to Tangem wallet in 2025 is that simple. Always prioritize security in the crypto world, and if you run into any issues, double-check the official docs or reach out to support. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.